Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot at the Samsung Galaxy A01. So what we need for are the buttons. So the power button and the volume down button. So if you press now these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. And after you can have directly a preview here, you can edit it or share it directly. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. And after, if you go here on editing, you can crop just a part, maybe if you're on a website and just want to have the picture or just a part there in it, so you can crop it. And also you can draw inside and so on and so on. And if you're finished with it, you can share it directly or save it directly to your gallery if you have edited it. And as I said, after we can find the screenshots here at the gallery. So here we have our pictures, and here at the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder named screenshots. And here's our cropped picture. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your questions. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.